A. Samson, and I will explain the top left picture. This picture shows the colorful brain full of flowers and symbols, shows a mind filled with growth, creativity, and positivity. It represents how human flourishing starts within, through a healthy mindset, learning, and emotional balance.
Now I'll explain the picture on the top right that shows a man watering with people that represent a leadership and mentoring and fostering the development of others. Helping others realize their full potential is just as important to human flourishing as achieving personal success. Goodbye!
So now, I'm Brian M. Mandanas, and I will discuss the picture at the bottom left that shows a person facing the sunrise with their arms outstretched. The image demonstrates peace, thankfulness, and freedom. It's about finding joy in the here and now, appreciating each day, and living life to the fullest.
Hi guys, I am Chris Ianes Mendoza, and now let's move on to the bottom middle picture. It shows a child releasing a dove, and globe shapes stands for world peace, hope, and concern. To flourish, one must live with empathy and stewardship of environment and other people.
I'm Christian Carlos Landicho. For the last picture, I will show on the bottom right image. It shows that growth like a tree with roots with growing stages. This image demonstrates development, perseverance, and solid foundations. It serves as a reminder that, like a growing tree from a seed, flourishing requires time, effort, and nurturing.
Overall, this collage demonstrates that human flourishing entails developing mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, assisting others, leading a peaceful and meaningful life, and never stopping learning. It's a journey to improve the world and yourself while becoming the best version of yourself.
Now, we will proceed to the questions that will answer by our group members.
For you, Mr. Bangla, why is this misunderstanding of human flourishing?
Because in our opinion, flourishing is about balance, kindness, and growth and peace, rather than just achieving personal success. It's about bettering both your own life and the lives of others.
Oh, I see. Good answer, Mr. Mandanas. How about you, Mr. Landicho? Is this vision of human flourishing something you have already achieved, or something you still need to achieve?
Working on toward it, and we discover something new about ourselves and how to live a more purposeful life every day.
Alright, nice answer, Mr. Landicho. And for my last question, this is for you, Mr. Samson. What 3 things must you do to achieve your vision of human flourishing?
The 3 things that I or we must do to achieve vision of human flourishing is: first, continue to grow on all levels, spiritually, emotionally, and intellectually. Second is create enduring, constructive connections with other people. The third is make decisions that support and are consistent with our values in order to live a purposeful life.
So now, we'll proceed to explanation for challenging others to find their vision of human flourishing. And this will be explained by JC Malina.
We challenge everyone to find their own vision of human flourishing. Ask yourself, what makes you truly grow and feel alive? It could be learning, helping, creating, or connecting. Start with small steps every day. Together, let's make a world a place where everyone can flourish.
One is the loneliest number that you'll